welcome to my channel and my weekly Plan With Me series. If you're new here, welcome. I'm excited to have you join me today. And as you can see, today's theme is going back to the 90s, which is 90210. So I am doing the original 90210 because that was my time. Loved that show. And yeah, I just thought it would be fun to do this theme. And as I usually always do, I grabbed all of my images just off of Google Images. I'll show you those as we go through the actual video. And this one I just put together. I found this classic TV on Google Images and just put this together in Paint. Yeah. So that's what I'm working with today. I do get tons of questions all the time, so I've been mentioning this every week these days. Just to remind you guys, if you want to know how I make these, it is so simple to do, and I do have a tutorial on how I do it, which I'll link at the end of the video if you would like to take a look at it. As for washi, guys, I didn't know what to go with. Like, I couldn't figure out what kind of washi to use. I don't really have beach themed washi, so this is what I grabbed. Not sure if it's really gonna match, to be quite honest. I went with the hearts because of the whole like love triangle. I always remember the whole like Kelly, Brenda, Dylan. And then this one I just thought was fun. And then the flowers, I don't know. I may not go with this, but I really had no idea what to go with. I might actually switch it up and go with these colors. Just solid colors. Actually, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go get my solid colors, and then yeah, I'm gonna get started. So grab your planner, guys, and let's get started. Alright guys, so there you have it. I love how it turned out. As you can tell, I went with the more traditional cast. I'm a huge fan of the first 4 seasons. I definitely watched all seasons, but I just loved the cast from the first 4, and that's mainly because I'm a huge Brenda fan. Love this clip here. I don't know if you guys remember this clip for when Brenda got arrested because she joined a animal activist group and didn't realize they were doing illegal things. Peach Pit, everything always revolved around the Peach Pit. When Kelly and Brenda were set up on blind dates by Brenda's mom, and it was with young little kids and they didn't realize. So yeah, that's how it turned out. If you guys watched 90210, the original, let me know below who was your favorite cast member, who did you relate with the most, who is your favorite. If you're more of a fan of the newer 90210, I've also seen all seasons. I did like that show as well. Let me know who is your favorite character. All right, guys, thanks for joining me for another plan with me, and stay tuned for more. Bye.